The video right there. Months of renders just proven right here. Hello everyone, my name is Dojo Mojo, back again with another video, and today we'll be talking about the official leaked video of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. And this is no joke, this video just dropped on Twitter like a couple hours ago, and it shows a guy like flipping open and closing the Galaxy Z Flip. So here's the video right here. Alright, there you go. The video right there. Literally months of renders just proven right here and right now, with the exact color that most of the renders that we've seen for a couple months now have taken. Like literally it comes with the dual camera on the back, the little display on the side of the dual camera that tells you the time, the date, the battery life, just those three things actually. And then the overall design, the shape, and then the look of the OS is pretty true to what we've seen for the past few months in a lot of concept renders from like other people who met with industry specialists working on this device. So everything is pretty consistent with what we're seeing, and we now have our first official look at the Galaxy Z Flip. So yeah, this is pretty big news right now. And hopefully there will be more information to come on this device. And if leaks and new videos, new images on the device keep coming at this consistent rate, I'd imagine pretty soon we have like fully fledged unboxed videos. But again, that's kind of unlikely, seeing that 2 years ago that happened with the the Google Pixel 3. It's probably not gonna happen again. But nevertheless, this is pretty good news, and we have our first confirmation that all of the leaks we've received for months now are true. And yeah, get hyped for this phone. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other people who are interested in the Galaxy Z Flip. This is the first official confirmation of this phone, so make sure to share it with other people who are interested. Also, don't forget to comment, tell me what you think about it, how you think about the overall design of the phone, other things like that. I'll gladly converse with you and talk about other things about this phone. So yeah, make sure to do those things, and I'd be grateful for your viewership. I'm grateful for it anyways, but it would be even more of a delight for you to engage with my video. So thank you very much for watching. This is Dojo Mojo signing out.